So this system actually uses a 4-second parameter. So why don't we start on row 2? So this is what unfortunately happens today. Nothing. Unfortunately, nothing happens. We have no way to alert drivers on the road trailing a trailer to slow down. Now, if you look at the first lane, we can see that, go ahead and release them. As it's going down the road, that light now proactively goes off. So again, I go back to what we see on the road today. It is very reactive. This radar allows us to be proactive and alert the public and the trailing vehicles that there is an imminent collision. Now, if we look at row 3, go ahead and release that. You might have noticed that it goes off a little bit sooner because this radar, again tied to the 4C system, knows that the speed that the trailer and tractor were driving, knows the angle that steering wheel is turning, because again, we're tracking it via GPS, and it's looking out and looking at that vehicle behind it and the speed that vehicle is going. And when that time to collision is less than 4 seconds, that lamp goes off.